Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, you are going to install some software in order to develop the Android application. So first of all, you have to install the JDK, which stands for Java Development Kit. In order to download the JDK, you have to open the browser first, then type JDK download into the search bar and simply click upon this link and click this option to download the JDK. When you click upon it, then a new page opens and simply download the JDK according to your own version of operating system. So in my case, my operating system is Windows 10 and version is 64-bit. So I simply download it. So make sure you accept the license agreement and download the JDK. When downloading is finished, now just simply double click upon JDK software. Click yes to install JDK. Now click next. Now as you may see here, JDK successfully installed. Now simply close it. When installation is finished, now we have to set up the environment variables. Simply go to this PC, um, program files, then go to Java, and here you may see there is JDK. So click upon JDK and copy the path, and it will save into the clipboard. You simply close it and go to this PC, right click upon it, properties, advanced system settings, and in the advanced tab click upon environment variables and click new and enter the variable name Java home, and in the variable value paste the path of the JDK and then simply click on OK. So I'm cancelling it because I have already added. So when installation of JDK is complete, now we have to download the Android Studio. In order to download the Android Studio, open the browser, type download Android Studio into a search bar, click upon this link. So now download the Android Studio and tick the checkbox and download the Android Studio. And now simply double click upon Android Studio. Now it's installing. When downloading is finished of Android Studio, now we have to install the Android Studio into our system. So double click upon it. While installing Android Studio, make sure you are connected with the internet because some packages need to download. Now click next. Next. Browse where you want to install the Android Studio. So click next. Install. It will take some time to install the Android Studio. Now click next. And now it's finished. Now launch the Android Studio. When installation of Android Studio is complete, then you have to launch the Android Studio application. Now you need to install the SDK Manager. So click here, and in an Android SDK, go to SDK tools and all such tools you have to install. So now click OK. I have already downloaded, so it will take some time to download those tools into your system. When it is complete, then it means your Android Studio is ready to work. So that's for this tutorial. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and I will see you in the next tutorial.